Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at the scraper and how you can use it to keep your audience updated with any major news across the world. But the first step we have to take is, if you have upgraded to the scraper, what you want to do is to click here on upgrade, come into this section, paste your key code right here, and then hit upgrade to scraper. Now once you have upgraded, you will see that license successfully activated, and you will see the Go News scraper here. So I want you to click on this, go to Go News scraper options, take this, drag it up to your bar at the top here. I hope that I can move this up and show you what just happened. Right, yes, you can see it right here. Go News scraper right here is like a little bookmarklet that you can put in your bookmarks anywhere up here. Now, how are we going to use this to keep your audience updated? Now, let's suppose some major news happened across the world and you were not able to find it when you went to trending post because it has not come out yet. As you know, the bigger networks like CNN and Fox would obviously carry the major news at whatsoever point it comes out. So what you would do is that you would go over to like Fox News or CNN, and you would click on any one of these. Right, let's suppose this was the major news. Let me just look for anyone here. Let's suppose this was the major news right here. Right, what you would do is to copy the, let me just move this up a little bit more, copy the URL of the news, come back to your site, go to Go News scraper, and then you could paste, right, you would paste the link right in here and then hit go. And what this would do, as you can see, it would collect the data from the new site that you were on, and then you would click here, images, and let's suppose it had 6-7 images. You would select the images that you want. In this case, it only has one image, and then you go to paragraphs and videos, and then suppose you wanted just a couple of these paragraphs, like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Then you would just hit select done. As you can see before, just now, there was a select all if you wanted all, right? And then you will bring it over here, and you can see you have a brand new article. Now what you could do is rewrite the post the same way that I showed you in a previous tutorial. You could come here and you could change, hover on the words that are highlighted and choose the words that you want. The story of the legendary creature is as diversified because as the, and you can just go through it, edit the words, make it your own, and then of course you can post it to your site. Ideally, again, you can hit generate a new post, let the editor rewrite it for you, and then when you are finished, hit send to the editor. And then what you would do is choose what type of news it is right here, whether it be business news, entertainment news, or in this case, as we showed you earlier, it could be viral news. And then you could schedule it or hit post now, and it would turn up on your site. Now let's just go over to your site, and we should see that right here. As you can see, it is right here as an example of what you can do with the scraper. Now another way to use the scraper is with the little bookmarklet up here. You should be able to just click on this, and the scraper would go out and curate the news on its own without you having to copy and paste the link. You saw me copy and paste the link, but if you use the Go News Scraper bookmarklet that is up here, as you can see, it did the same thing as if you copied and paste the link in that section. So there you have it, how to use the Go News Scraper to keep your audience, your readers, your viewers updated with any major news that happens across the world by using the Go News Scraper. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.